Okay, we are going to finish with a slightly different example of the use of grid. Here we have some designs of a magazine, okay, and as you can see, if I go with the cursor over, you can see perfectly the arrangement of the elements using grid. For this is very useful, right? How could we use this? Okay, so we can create a page, a new page, for example. I create a board, I tell the size. I'm using a A3 paper size, which is the same as the rest of the pages. And the only thing I will have to do here is to create a grid, okay? And here I will start editing it as I would like. For example, I will want to have 3 columns, but I will also want to have a space of 30 between elements and 60 in the edges. Okay, perfect. As you can see, it is already taking the grid that I want to give it. Then here I'm going to ask it to save me a section for a large image in the middle, and I'm going to join here with a small header. Okay, in such a way that now I could simply start filling the content or copying styles or adding new styles. In this case, for example, I'm going to copy this image and I'm going to put it here. As you can see, it fills the space and giving it reserve to paste different text here and there, and take the header from here and paste here. In this way I can generate layouts very quickly for banners, magazines, and all kinds of digital or analog printing.